Hello friends, our today's topic is symmetry drawing. As you can see, we have 4 pictures of some design or some line drawing on a grid. This square that you're seeing is called a grid, and this slant line or the diagonal line which is going across in each picture is the axis or the half or the center line of the symmetry drawing. We can call this as the axis line or the center line. We are going to learn how to replicate the mirror image to draw the same design that you can see highlighted in the red sketch pen. We will draw the mirror design on the other side of the center line or the axis line. So let's start with the easy one first. We'll begin with this picture. We'll observe the half drawn image on the grid. We'll count the squares. Now to make this more simpler, what we can do is we can hold the picture like this. Now you can see that this center line or the axis line is facing you. This will be much easier to draw a symmetrical drawing if you hold the picture like this. But if you are able to do it this way, it's up to you. It's your choice. So I'm going to hold the picture like this so that this diagonal line is a standing line for me. It is looking straight towards me. Now I'm going to count the squares and draw lines to complete the symmetry. So this red picture, this red line is starting from here. I'm going to start from here. I'm counting the square 1, 2. From my center line, I'll count 1, 2 and draw a line. I'll use a sketch pen so that you can see. We'll count the square 1, 2. Similarly, from the center line this side, 1, 2. Then this line is going here. So this square, 1, 2, 1, 2. And there is a straight line which is connecting till this point. So our grid has completed. This is an easy picture. Let's try a little bit more complex. So let's start. If you want, you can hold it this way or this way. So we count. Now this is the square which is going across here. And this line is coming down. So this square, this half triangular square and this half triangular square. Similarly this and this. So I'm counting the square and going down. Now from this diagonal line, this line, can you see this line from this point? So this is one square, this is the second square and the point is here. So similarly, if you want, you can count the square, one square, second square and the point is here. Draw a straight line, connect the line. Again 1, 2, 1, 2 and connect.